In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to change the color of objects in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first is that you want to make sure that you have your object in here, and basically you just need Lumetri Color. So what I suggest is instead of going to the effects and adding the Lumetri Color effect into your clip, you want to go here into the colors workspace. So you want to click here on this icon, and then you should have the color right here, this one right here. You want to click on that, and then you will now be prompted into the color workspace where you have the Lumetri Color in here. So in here is that you want to click on your clip right here that you'd want to change the color in. And now you want to go into curves. And then from here, you want to go into U versus U. And then you want to click on the eyedropper tool and just simply select the object that you'd want to change the color in. So in my case, it's this flower, this pink one. So I'm going to click here somewhere in that flower. And then there it is. And now we have these dots. From here, we can just manipulate the dots, and then we would now be able to change the color of the flower. Just take note that to be mindful of the levels because it could also affect the other parts right here. So this would work best if you are going for a black background with high contrast video, so it would be easier to change the color there. But as for this one right here, you can just go and mess with it for a while, and let's turn this into green, and here it is. We have now changed the color in here. So yeah, we can just mess with that around more to get a more beautiful result, but this is basically how you can do it. And take note that this would work best with high contrast background, like a black background with an object in it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.